Spinning in the chair waiting at the dentist office to get our teeth cleaned and whitened. Oh, first time for both of us to get our teeth whitened.
Okay, look at it before.
So bad.
That is brown as hell.
Need to come here for braces because it's like $10 versus $10,000.
Yeah.
Huge difference.
Alright guys,
Hey, guys.
We're actually here with our friends.
Our best friends.
Yes, guys, if you need work done, this is an amazing place to come. The prices are cheap. The staff is just so nice.
Incredible staff. So
Yes.
nice.
Guys, what they have done to our teeth, we have check this
Look
out.
at my teeth. Look
Look
at
at the
our
difference.
teeth. So white.
Look at how white that is. It's
We
just incredible.
We got our teeth cleaned and they
Yes.
were so gentle. This is the best cleaning I've ever had.
So in the
Zero
description
pain, zero blood.
below, I'm gonna go ahead and include the address here, the people that you're gonna want to meet, and the things that they've done for us. I mean, just incredible. Highly recommend it, and we'll go ahead and include that in on the bottom.
Yeah, so definitely.
Now, aside from that, guys, they do have a piano in here. Beautiful view of all the traffic. You want to show that to them, baby? Look at that. Bunch of places to eat around here. So while
much
you're
to
doing
do.
something out here, you might want to stop by and just get it done. That way you don't have to worry about it. Your teeth are gonna.
Our teeth are so white.
Yes. So we're gonna be heading down. We can't eat food for about 2 hours.
2 hours.
So we're gonna have to figure out something to do. Maybe just go and yap a little bit and figure out a place to go. But for now, guys, we'll see you soon. Peace.
Bye.
All right, you guys. Pleasure meeting you.